Hello. Gerard Claudio here. Sa video na 'to pag-uusapan natin kung bakit yung pagsa-spam ng MLM offer mo sa social media ay hindi makakatulong sa negosyo mo. Right? So, if you find value into this, drop mo dyan yung name, location mo, click mo tong heart, and click mo na rin yung share. For the past several weeks, no, ang daming nagtatag sa akin sa mga MLM offer nila. Either dun sa comment section or gagawa sila ng post and initatag nila ako. I'm not sure kung bakit nila ginagawa yon, pero I tried to recall when I was starting in my business, I think it's a desperate move. And desperate move siya eh. Parang I feel like it's desperate move siya. Parang itatag mo ako tapos anong after? Like what do you expect me to do? Like are you hoping that I'm also looking for opportunity? Or are you hoping that yung mga tinatag mo doon ng mga tao is they are also looking for opportunity? Is that what you wanted to uh, achieve? Maybe no, cross finger, I hope na pag nag-post ako at tapos itatag ko sila, titingnan nila tapos ma-open sila. Wow, ang ganda ng opportunity. Is that what you think you expect as an outcome? Kasi kung titingnan mo siya, na-realize ko lang, sabi ko nga pala, no, before, what I was doing, but I'm not really spamming. It's just that I've been cold messaging people in social media. Really, message them, kakamustahin sila, i-add sila and all. Ganon. Kaya ngayon, sabi ko yung 5,000 ko, dami ko pala mga hindi talaga kilala personally dyan. I would go to Facebook groups, message them and all. In that way, marami akong mga kaibigan na na-establish through that. Pero, spamming it, like literally spamming, like marami pa ako natatanggap ng mga messages, offering them, ganito yung mga ano nila. Ang dami mga companies eh, iba't ibang mga kumpanya eh. Yet, one thing I've realized is it's really a bad strategy. Now, hindi ko alam, possible lang to na nanggaling yun sa tinuturo na numbers game. Sige lang, pag post ka lang ng post na ng post, mag-yes, may mag-yes at mag-yes talaga. Hindi pwedeng wala may mag-yes. Tama? And then, syempre, ikaw naman, tumatid ka ng training nyo, na-inspire ka sa mga result, tapos yun yung sinabi ng speaker, basta lang, post na ng post, share lang ng share sa mga group, sa mga ganito, tag mo lang, ganito. Basta gawin mo siya everyday, yun ang maging strategy mo. Do you think that's a good strategy? I don't think that's a... Ano sa akin, it's really a poor strategy. It's not actually only poor, it's bad strategy. Bakit? Kasi, why will I even watch you if I don't have a relationship with you? Or if I don't get any value from you? Because there are only two things in social media ko bakit mapapansinin ng isang tao. Either dahil sa kilala mo siya, or nakakuha ka ng value sa kanya. So if you're someone in social media and nag-network marketing ka, at ang ginagawa mo is when you spam people, like you message people, you reach out to people, whatever, and then you randomly like, pagka-reach out mo, message agad, reach out, message. Ganun yung strategy mo. I don't think that's a viable thing to do, or it's really workable for most. Ang taas ng level ng rejection dyan. You're expecting to have sign up, you're expecting to have a how, you're expecting people to ask queries. Pero pag ganun, lalo na, it's personally sa akin to guys it's really disrespectful to tag somebody without their permission. Unless kung asawa ko, anak ko, yung in-laws ko, may celebration, okay. Pero a business opportunity or an MLM opportunity, itatag mo lang ako on somewhere. I don't think that's really a healthy, or I don't think it's really a good strategy. Okay lang ba wag nating gawin yun? Okay lang ba wag mong gawin? So Jerry, if hindi ako spam, ano yung gagawin ko? If gusto mo talagang makakuha ng higher chances of success, okay? Now, the first one is, of course, the people na may tiwala na sa'yo. Right? Pero most probably, mauubos rin kasi yung warm market mo eh. Nakuha ba? So, technically, mauubos din yung warm market mo. So, but, this is what I wanted to say. Darating sa time na kailangan mo talaga mag-publish ng mga content na yung content mo is targeting people na gusto mo maging part ng business mo. Ulitin ko ulit. Anong content ang gagawin ko? Ang content na gagawin mo are content that attracts your ideal prospect and or your ideal customer. Yun ang gusto mo maging part ng Yun yung gusto mo mga tao na gusto mo i-attract. So, paano mo 'to i-a-attract through social media? By creating and publishing content. That's the most strategic way to really do it. Second, kung may offer ka na better, then use paid ads. Pwede rin yun. Pero personally sa akin, kung hindi ka pa mamas, hindi ko nire-recommend minsan ng paid ads kasi publishing in itself, makakakuha ka ng mga sign up eh. Sa pagpa-publish lang eh. Nakuha nyo ba? So, spamming is really a bad strategy. Kung tinuturuan ka ng team mo or ng community nyo ng ganun, I want you to think about that, okay? Isipin mo ng maayos to. Hindi siya nagwo-work eh. If you wanted to really reach out to people, okay, let me give you some strategy. The least that you can do is this. Message the person, interact with their profile. Okay. Interact with their profile, message the person, and tell them your intention. Ibig sabihin, I find your profile interesting and okay lang ba makapag-connect? Ganon. Hindi yung tipong ibabagsak mo agad yung offer mo dun sa tao. Nako ba? I don't think it works that way. Right? I hope you're learning into this, no? And I hope maintindihan natin na ang pagsa-spam hindi talaga siya nagwo-work guys eh. Parang, okay, Gerard, ano pagkakaiba nun sa flyering? Well, flyering has a permission. You reach out, the person decides to get the flyers. Tama? Right? Pero yun yung itatag mo, walang permission yung tao, it's really disrespectful. Huwag niyong gawin yun. Lalo na, meron pang mga gumagawa nito eh. Kasi nga, di ba, itong page na to, I have two pages, I have two accounts here in Facebook. I have my main account, which is my personal account, and then meron ako dito, itong Gerard Claudio, which is more on network marketing. So maraming nagpo-post occasionally, ang dami ko talagang dinidelete. Some of them, sobrang persistent, binablock ko na lang. Nagpo-post na mga MLM offers nila dito. Ito yung suggestion ko sa'yo. What if instead na mag-post ka dito sa akin, ang gagawin mo right now is gawa ka ng profile mo, gawa ka ng content mo that would attract the ideal prospect or the ideal teammates na gusto mo maging part ng business mo. Nakuha? Right? Ako, I'll tell you, if you invest your time into that rather than investing your daily time to spam people, mas magiging productive ka through that. Nakuha? So, that's my, yan yung pinaka-take ko dyan. Numbers game has, alam mo ko guys, nililiteral ko talaga before numbers game. Kaya naiintindihan ko minsan yung iba na ganyan yung ginagawa. Literally, like, most people, hindi tuturuan tayo ng numbers game. Pero guys, pag wala kang offer na maayos, at yan pa yung ginagawa mo, mas slim yung chances mo, super taas ng, mo dyan, frustration rate mo, maniwala ka sa akin. And some point, some of you will go end network marketing and say, pangit ang networking, nakatry na ako before. Ano bang ginawa mo? Yan ang ginawa mo, ng spam ka. Tapos sisihin mo yung industry. Diba? Nakuha nyo ba ako? Right? So I hope, lang to medyo hindi lang komportable pakinggan. Pero I hope I make sense when I say this, diba? It shouldn't be that way. Kaya hindi ganun yung style, hindi ganun yung way na paggawa natin ng negosyong ito. Okay? So, I hope sa ano na to, sa video na to, you would realize that there are better ways to approach prospects. There are better ways to offer your product, offer your opportunity. At yan yung tinuro ko dito sa course ko. Okay, you might be saying, ayun, nagbebenta ka na naman ng course. The course is only 899 pesos for now because it's 90% discount. And I'll tell you, basta sundin mo yung nakalagay dito sa course, mas magiging maayos ang pagtakbo mo ng negosyo mo. Hindi ka mang-spam, maniwala ka sa akin. And never teach people na mang-spam sila. This is a right way to really build a business. I'll tell you, will really appreciate it. Check the course, register into it, understand kung paano ba mag-approach ng warm market nang hindi ka cringy, hindi ka yung awkward, how to approach cold market in a way na parang hindi ka spammy, and how to have a long-term plan for your business na hindi mo kailangan maghabol ng prospect para mag-pay in sila sa'yo. Tama? So, yan yung mga strategies natin dyan. Check the course, get it, because I believe sa dami ng mga testimony na nakuha ko, I've given enough information into that. Okay? So, this is just a short video. Very, very short lang to. But I hope inakuha kayo dito ang content. Alright? So, don't spam. Do it right. Gawin ng tama ang business mo. Okay? Kung may nagtuturo sa yung upline for spamming, I don't know. Ayaw po lang apply na nagtuturo ng mangsa-spam, okay? So, yun lang naman for me, guys. If you find value to this, click yung heart dyan, click yung share, tag yung mga ka-teammate ninyo that you think makakatulong sa inyo yung content na to. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.